So if you are watching this video, you are interested in anime and you are looking for a recommendation to start anime. And here I am with a top 10 list of anime that you can start watching. This top 10 list is not a ranking method, it is just a watch order you can start with. At 10th place is Death Note. It is the best starting pack for anyone who wants to get into anime. In the anime Death Note, our main character Light Yagami gets a notebook which is called the Death Note. If you write the name of a person in that Death Note, he dies, and the police get suspicious that someone is killing those people. So they start searching for the killer, and then series shows us an awesome rat and mouse chase between our main character Light Yagami and a detective called L. This suspense thriller anime is very interesting and thrilling. You can watch it. It has one season containing 37 episodes, 23 to 25 minutes each. At 9th place is Tokyo Ghoul. Tokyo Ghoul is the very definition of a date going wrong. Our main character Kaneki goes on a date with a ghoul. Yes, you heard it right. In the universe of Tokyo Ghoul, there are human-eating monsters called ghoul living among humans. Our main character Kaneki gets bitten by her, and he also turns into a human-eating monster. And this anime shows us the journey of him resisting to eating humans and fighting with other ghouls. It has 4 seasons, 25 episodes each. Next up is Castlevania, an anime by Netflix. A time where demons and witches are common. So here our main character tries to hunt down Dracula. It has 4 seasons. First season has 4 episodes and continuously it goes like 8 episodes, 10 and 10. 7th place is Attack on Titan. Attack on Titan is quite popular anime. Human civilization in this anime are shown to live inside a border to protect them from the human eating monsters called the Titans. So here we can unravel the journey of our main character Eren Yeager and his fight against Titans. Anime also unveils many mysteries including the history and connection between Titans and humans. It has 4 seasons, 25 episodes each. 6th place is Parasite. Parasite is an anime that depicts human eating parasites that lives within human. The anime shows a kind of parasite that lives within human body and tries to take over them and start a race of their own. So this anime shows the journey of our main character and his fight against these parasites. Anime has only 1 season and 24 episodes of it. Next up is My Hero Academia. This is an anime where every other citizen in the world is born with a special power or superpower called a quirk. And the only powerless guy in that world is our main character Izuku Midoriya. So this anime depicts the journey of how our main character Izuku Midoriya becomes the greatest hero in the world, fighting all other injustice and villains. Next up is Jujutsu Kaisen. It is the very anime that reminds me of Naruto. In this anime, it is shown that human evil emotions give birth to curses, and the king of curse is sealed within our main character Yuji Itadori. And this anime shows the journey of our main character Yuji Itadori fighting other curses, how he will put an end to the king of curses Sukuna. This anime is quite popular. You might have seen some epic scenes of it in Instagram or YouTube or many other places. I recommend watching it. It has 2 seasons, 24 episodes each. 3rd place is Demon Slayer. So our main character Kamado Tanjiro goes, and when he comes back to home, he sees his whole family eaten by a demon called Kibutsuji Muzan, also the main villain of this anime. But his sister Nizuko survives and turns into a demon due to the entrance of demon blood in his body. This anime shows the journey of Tanjiro finding a cure for his sister to make her human and fighting other demons. This anime has 5 seasons, 26 episodes each. Our main character Subaru goes to a store and gets reincarnated into another isekai world. The story is kind of like a game. The more you progress, the more the game saves a checkpoint. If you die, then it respawns you into the last checkpoint you have passed through. This anime shows the journey of our main character Subaru unveiling the mysteries of this world and fighting his way through. It has 3 seasons, 25 episodes each. Next up is our baldy superhero Saitama in One Punch Man. Our main character Saitama is an overpowered superhero who can defeat any monster, as the name suggests, with one punch. It depicts the comedy life of Saitama. It is a comedy action anime you can watch, and it has 2 seasons, 12 episodes each. And I remind you again, this top 10 list does not rank any anime. It is just a watch order that you can go through while watching them. And if you have enjoyed my video this far, then consider liking and subscribing to my channel, and also watch other videos of mine.